No court today in the Karen Reed murder trial, but there's still plenty of buzz after yesterday's testimony from lead investigator Michael Proctor. The state trooper read a series of inappropriate text messages he sent in the days after the investigation. NBC 10's John Maroney joins us live from Norfolk Superior Court with the fallout from yesterday's explosive testimony. John.
Glenn, Michael Proctor is expected back on the stand tomorrow, but some say the damage from his testimony has already been done.
No nudes so far.
No nudes so far, correct?
Correct.
Michael Proctor reading his text messages about Karen Reed and the investigation into John O'Keefe's death.
From all accounts, he didn't do anything wrong. She's a whack job.
The testimony about the text messages was extremely damaging to the prosecution's case and potentially fatal.
Tom Nolan is a professor of criminology at BU and former Boston police officer.
They don't have a strong history of imposing discipline on their members, so in all likelihood, this trooper will continue to be assigned to the district attorney's office. I think that's imprudent.
The lead investigator for the Norfolk County DA and subject of an internal affairs investigation, Proctor told jurors the text messages, some of which went to supervisors, were regrettable and unprofessional. But he said they don't impact the integrity of the investigation.
When you are now having to respond to extremely misogynistic statements and other unprofessional statements, you're compromising your integrity as an investigator, as a law enforcement professional.
Todd McGee is a security consultant who worked as a state trooper for more than 20 years. He says Proctor could eventually end up on the so-called Brady list, which is for officers whose credibility has been tainted.
It's not an automatic termination if your name makes that list. However, it could cause reassignment based on your role within a unit.
Now, tomorrow is a full day of testimony, and when Michael Proctor does return to the stand, he'll be under cross-examination. Well, Alvin Dedham, John Maroney, NBC 10 Boston.
It'll make for another interesting day tomorrow. Thank you, John.